I don't know if this is going to work or not. He is super excited to eat. I don't know if that's lined up right. Fuck, are you hungry, man? Shit. I'm just chilling on my lap. Another one? You good then? You all set? Don't shit on my clothes, please. I just realized that. Here, you gotta get down. You're still hungry? Oh, well, shit. Hey, buddy.